So I just want to show you a very common issue here. So the bike has sat for quite a while, and the vintage brake levers are a bit stiff. They're not retreating back. So you see this one is fine, but this guy over here, this one is a little stubborn. See, this one is a little slow over here. So now, before you do anything, before you mess with this screw, there's a quick fix, and this is it. You're gonna take some Park Tool Lube over here, and this is what I'm gonna do. Just a drop here. Did you see? Look over there. Just do a little drop. Now the same can be said here. Little drop here. Okay, now what you guys gonna do here? Now this one is the one that is good. However, it is this guy. See? Getting much better. So that's your fix over here. You wanna just put a little bit of lube, Park Tool Lube over here, and Park Tool Lube on this one, and basically have your brakes working like new again. And there's gonna be a link in the description where you guys could get this Park Tool, and I get a tiny bit of commission. Hopefully you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.